Hello, in this tutorial, let us we discuss about one of the popular language called programming language called Java. Java is a popular language created in 1995. It is owned by Oracle and more than 3 billion devices run on Java. It is used for mobile applications, especially Android apps. It is mostly used for developing Android apps and desktop applications, and also web applications, web servers, and application servers, games, database connections, and much more. Why use Java? Java works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It has large demand in the current job market. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free. It is secure, fast, and powerful. It has huge community support. Tens of millions of developers are there. Java is an object oriented language which gives class structure to the program and allows code to reuse and development cost. As Java is close to C++ and C hash, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. In next video, let us we discuss about Java syntax.